In this step, you simply screw the bolts through the hole and into your wooden leg. And then repeat on all 4 legs. Use your Allen key to tighten up. For me, I have a screwdriver Allen key, which I use. Just a little bit quicker for the amount that I do. For step 2, I have laid the platform bed base on the ground, upside down. We're going to work in this area, but be sure that the little tab is pointed up on the corner of the bed frame. So as I mentioned, you slide the bed leg on, feed the bolt through, and then add a washer and a nut. And you want to do 4 on each leg. And then just tighten it up with your Allen key, or I use my screwdriver. And then simply repeat on the second side. For step 3, we will reintroduce the head and the footboard and continue to use the platform base. You will use the remainder of the screws and bolts. And with the headboard and footboard, there's one trick. There's 2 holes on one side and 1 hole on the other side. As you can see, there's a dog, and 2 holes on that side, and 1 hole on the other side. You want the 2 holes facing inwards. There's a metal bolt, a funny looking bolt, that goes through the hole. And then your long bolt goes through the back of the bed frame or headboard and screws it. There is then a small bolt that goes in the back side for added support. Repeat that on all four sides and your bed frame will be complete.